In my last video, I explained the differences between licenses, investment advisor registration, and certification programs. I said that the licenses and registrations that an advisor have are issued by governments or government-empowered agencies, and those licenses or registrations determine which services and products that advisor can sell you. Today, we're going to look at advisors who have a life insurance license. Now, life insurance is, in almost all cases, the very best way to create instant financial security for your loved ones if you die prematurely, assuming you don't have sufficient assets to self-insure.
Oh yeah!
You can go see a life insurance agent in the morning, sign a few pieces of paper, write a small check, and you'll probably be insured. If you unfortunately then get hit by a bus in the afternoon and go to meet your maker, your family will be taken care of forever if you bought enough life insurance. No other investment is that powerful. So, life insurance is extremely important for many people, and many life insurance agents provide a very valuable function. But you need to understand their limitations, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Each of the 50 states has their own requirements that people must meet if they want to obtain a life insurance license. Now, usually that process includes a course of study and passing an exam, but again, it depends on the state that issues the life insurance license. Having a life insurance license enables an advisor to sell life insurance or health insurance or disability insurance. And depending on the state, sometimes those licenses enable an agent to also sell fixed annuities as well. Now, health and disability insurance are important topics, and we're going to cover those in future videos. And we'll also discuss fixed annuities at length in a future video. In a nutshell, fixed annuities can be a good investment for some people, for some of the money who have a very specific financial need. But annuities are only one option, and certainly they aren't the best option for everyone all the time. What other investments can life insurance agents sell you? Well, some life insurance agents tell you that whole life or universal life are good investments that will help you save for retirement. We'll talk about those two ideas in future videos, so make sure to subscribe so you find out about that. But you'll see then that there are many other investments that are far better retirement investments to think about. Now, of course, you should speak with your own advisor before making any investment or insurance decision. But in my experience, while life insurance is the very best way to provide immediate family protection, which is super important to many people, it's not really an investment per se. So if you ask a life insurance agent, how should I invest or how much money do I need in order to retire? Their answer may not include ideas such as real estate, mutual funds, bonds, etc., because life insurance agents aren't licensed to sell you those things. An insurance agent would need a securities license or be a registered investment advisor in order to discuss those alternatives. Again, we spoke about those at length in the prior video. Now, the common theme here is that life insurance agents may be very limited in the range of investments and services they can offer you, and therefore, they may tell you that life insurance or annuities will accomplish your objectives. Now, the life insurance agent may actually believe this, but many come to this conclusion because they don't have a license to sell you anything else. What I'm saying is this: if you go to the Chevrolet dealer to buy a car, even though maybe a Ford would suit your needs better, what car is the salesperson going to recommend? The only car they can sell. Okay, let's move on. Life insurance agents are either captive or independent. A captive life insurance agent is only allowed to sell the insurance products that his or her insurance company makes available to them. That means if you're talking to a captive MetLife agent, for example, he or she can only sell you those products that MetLife approves of. Now, an independent life insurance agent can sell life insurance products from many different companies, so that's a little bit better. Why? Well, because they can independently recommend products from the other companies if he or she deems those are better for your needs. But even independent agents are still limited to insurance products if that's the only license they have. Next question, why are they called insurance agents? They're called insurance agents because they're agents for the companies they work for, not for you. If they're only licensed to sell life insurance, they may not have a fiduciary responsibility to put your interests first. Again, we talked a lot about the importance of fiduciary responsibility in the prior video, so please review that if you haven't already seen it. Now, the only way your life insurance agent will have a fiduciary obligation towards you if they have a certification that subjects them to that higher standard, and some life insurance agents do have certifications. For example, some life insurance agents have the Chartered Financial Consultant, or CHFC designation. This means they had to pursue a rigorous course of study and pass exams similar to the CFP certifications. And CHFCs do commit to act in your best interest, but as a side note, there's some disagreement as to whether or not those people have a fiduciary responsibility, and we'll leave that to another day. Now, even if they don't have other certifications, I've met plenty of life insurance agents who were hardworking, honest, trustworthy people who really tried their best to look out for their clients' interests first, even if they weren't legally obligated to do so. So trust your gut, get references, do your homework. Let's summarize. Most life insurance agents are honest, smart, and work hard for their clients. Life insurance is one piece of the puzzle that you may or may not need, but most people need more than just life insurance or annuities. And when you're talking about your financial future, you really need an advisor who puts your interests first. So yes, you might need some life insurance, and no, life insurance can't solve all your financial problems. In other words, please don't buy life insurance to solve an investment issue, and don't buy investments to solve a life insurance issue. Now, please subscribe so you can get the next video in this series, and you can learn how to hire the right financial advisor for you.